Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete ads on Realme. First, open your phone's Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Privacy, then find Device Identifiers and Ads. Here, you can reset your advertising ID, which helps limit personalized ads. This simple step is effective for reducing system-wide ad tracking, giving you a slightly cleaner experience from the start. To tackle ads within specific applications, go to Settings, then App Management, and select the app in question. Look for Notifications or Permissions to restrict unwanted pop-ups or data access. Additionally, navigate to your Google account settings, then Data and Privacy, and disable Ad Personalization. This prevents Google from using your activity for targeted ads, offering a much less intrusive experience. Many ads appear while browsing the internet. Open your preferred browser settings like Chrome and enable pop-ups and redirects protection under Site Settings. For more comprehensive blocking, consider installing a browser known for its ad blocking capabilities. Furthermore, control annoying notification ads by going to Settings, then Notifications and Status Bar, and carefully review which apps are permitted to send alerts. For a consistently ad-free experience, regularly audit your installed applications. Uninstall any apps you no longer need, especially those from untrusted sources, as they often contribute to ad clutter. Always read app permissions carefully during installation and deny unnecessary access to your data or ability to send notifications. Taking these proactive steps will significantly enhance your Realme phone's performance and user comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.